Alright, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that sounds fine. Alright. Close that shit now. This place crazy washing machine. Oh, there's multiple levels. Guys, I don't like this. You need to wash bricks. Okay. Gotta open. What is happening over there? Why is this game so scary? Oh! Where's the brick? Alright, give me the brick. Oh. I did it. Time. I was... who... Is that Slender Man? Just... wait. Oh... Please tell me you are all seeing this. Okay, I'm gonna put the brick in there. Okay, so the washing machine's gonna try and crush me. I get... oh god. Okay. What? Get away. Get away, washing machine.
What is this game?
This is so scary. Do you hear the
Why
fucking
is
music?
On.
They do something wrong. They're coming. They're coming from everywhere. I won. Alright, I'm gonna not give that any more attention it needs. You only have 15 seconds to hide. 5 seconds have passed. Is the washing machine just gonna start moving on its own, or do I need to find a brick? I wish you could. This game is scary. Oh my god! I think it's just gonna... yeah. Okay. Get the fuck away from me!
Oh my god.
Oh. Where is it? Oh, there it goes. It missed me. Oh, no it didn't, I guess.
Don't turn your back.
Crap, how are they gonna get me up here?
Uh-oh. They're spinning.
They're trying.
Oh.
Oh, they got him. Alright, I did it. Oh no. I'm in a maze. And there's a washing machine somewhere in it.
Oh no.
You guys fucking seen... what is this? I'm just gonna go past. Jesus, stop him!
What? Oh my god.
That's higher. He's on the front of that thing.
Alright. So, oh. Is that out? That was not out. No, can't go through there. Jesus Christ. Wait, can I like stand on that? Oh.
Oh.
Hold on. Can I
Yeah.
make this jump?
Oh, well that's
I
the
did it. I
strat.
cheesed it. Nope, never mind. That's a trick. It's all a trick. I'm going back down there.
Maybe you just gotta like not die, idiot.
Where the fuck am I? Oh,
Space.
I think I went out the. Wait, what? I think I unlocked like the next 3 levels. I'm just gonna skip that one. Here, the washing machine. I can outrun it. Oh, never mind. I fucked up. I hit a green. Where? I will live. No, I won't. Oh, what is happening?
I think you shooting causes a lot of problems.
But I can see the end. Now I'm doing a different one. What's this level? What happens when I go 3rd person on this one?
That must be the strat.
Yeah, no, it is not. Are you seeing this? Yeah. Yeah, okay, what's the next one?
No, you gotta. You didn't get to Earth twice, man.
Okay, well,
Oh man.
I did not listen. Oh, Jesus fuck, what's happening? I do not know what to do there.
Time to win overnight.
Why is there gotta be a washing machine right now? Jojo, are you just not tuning in?
Yeah.
There's
You
so much
fucking-
washing machine action.
You miss fucking Slender. Washing machines going to your ship?
Ugh. This one was the run, but I fucked up. Where am I? This is a thinking man's game. You know, might not look the part, but it
Exactly.
is. Oh, not this kind. I dodged one washing machine and there's just another one. Damn it. Oh, I actually made it. No.
Those words piss me off.
What? There's a glass wall.
Man, dude, being in front of the stove makes a man sweaty.
Yeah, being in a cube-filled wasteland with washing machines everywhere makes a man pretty sweaty. Alright, I love it when it touches my toe. And it is dead.
You thought The naked man had to conquer the clothes. This man needs to conquer the washing.
I wonder. Big brain play. I'll go. You cheese so much to level doing that. Holy shit, that's a strip.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, you know, crazy washing machine. Oh.
You know. You got this. You got this. You're almost there.
I just got the best washing machine. Alright, guys, I did it. I am the crazy washing machine.
You have successfully washed the brick. You are the only person who managed to survive. Washing machines killed all people on the earth because of you, but you are still satisfied because you washed your brick.
Damn you.
Well, press escape. Oh, do you like more bonuses?
I
What's
think
this?
that Donkey Kong's copyright.
Yeah, I think we got a report
Oh no.
on
Oh
everything.
no. Oh no.
Can't run.
He's
No.
okay.
What's that say up there? Just 60 seconds.
Well,
it's easy. Yeah, I bet it is.
Welcome.
I bet there's no strings attached.
So it's like a horde.
This game is fucking scary. Oh, there's so many. I can see them.
Fucking piling in.
Thousands.
Just 560 seconds. That's all you gotta do. Full back.
That was the scariest thing I've ever seen.